We're reviewing from Sculpix, a Borescope Endoscope with a 5.0 screen. It is a 1080p with 720p as well, lighting, a 360-degree manual swivel head. It's got a CMOS sensor on the camera. As we open up the product, we'll demonstrate showing you a sink, a toilet, and so forth. For automobiles, cars, boats, anything that you need to look around, up to 6 feet in length of cable, non-removable. We're going to unbox and show you what you get inside the product. As we open up the case, you have a mesh area to put your accessories, an instruction guide, and 4 alcohol swabs to clean the head of the camera. It comes nicely sealed and packaged. Please peel off the protective film of your product. A USB-C compliance cable to charging your unit for a number of hours. As the cable is wrapped around the unit, as you can see how nicely it is a flexible cable with the swivel head. In order to move the head, over here there is a knob. When you turn the knob one way, the head rotates all the way around 360 degrees, as you can see. So you get to look all around, and 180-degree electronic rotation in the unit with a 5 times digital zoom. What we're going to be doing now is showing you how to set this up and how this works. On the side of the unit is an SDXC card, a 32 gig card. Pull out, place into the computer, and take off the videos and photos you have stored. Put back in, able to format. On the opposite side, you're able to take the USB-C cable, plug in, and you have a nice large battery indicator showing its charging, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. We have here's M for playback. We have here is the zoom level and up, the settings to go through the resolutions, format, reset, and more, the down arrow, and the recycle to switch the screen 180 degrees, the OK, the light going on to 3 different levels with the on and off, the area that you press for 3 seconds for your video to photo, and short press to take your photo and video, and the rotation of the actual head moving left and right. Turning the unit on for the first time. Scopex will place the head, see the light come on. On the screen it says 38 Celsius. Your head has a temperature reading on it. You have your camera. You have here's the light, the SD card, and the battery, date, and time. As you can see, my hand and everything. What we'll do here is we'll shut the light off and show you what it looks like on the screen. As we rotate the head, you can see the image. We're upside down. To switch the image, simply press, and now we're right side up. Hitting the M goes to playback of video and photos. Pressing this button are increments up to 5 times. This gets you into the settings, going up and down. We have a resolution by hitting OK to change from 1080 to 720p, and OK, and continue down to daytime, shutter sound, brightness, audio, auto power off, language, and settings. In here, we set to English. We click OK. Continue down to time settings, format, reset device, memory, and version, and back to resolution. We are in Celsius and Celsius only. We have here is the video to photo, photo to video. As you can see, pressing on this will take your video, and long pressing changes back to photo, and short pressing will take your photo. Your cable up to 6 feet with the head placing into the unit. the temperature will start to drop down as it takes its reading. And you're able to see inside your air conditioner. In this demonstration, we'll head over to the sink. We'll slide into the pipe and we'll rotate around so we can see what we're looking at. As we go down the pipe, we're able to look around and adjust manually. The unit is waterproof, the head. As we adjust, then we could twist the head around 180 degrees. We could run the water. As you see the water going down. If we need to zoom in, we could zoom in. And we could continue down to 6 feet and pull out. If we need to look at our brake system or anything underneath the car, then we're able to adjust around and see what we need to look at and inspect. If we need to look through our vent system and see what it looks like, we can do so. And we could take video by pressing the video button. And that's what we see inside our vent. So if you're looking for a Borescope and Endoscope for all your needs, home, automobile, drainage, and more, up to 6 foot length to look around for your needs. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for your automobile, household, and more, your Borescope needs. Thank you for viewing. It's foldable, compact, lightweight for all your needs. Enjoy your product.